This is one of the most neglected but yet most important filter inside your car. This is called a cabin air filter, and it's basically the filter that cleans up the air that is coming into your car. So if you like to use your air conditioning system and you haven't replaced your cabin air filter, let me quickly give you guys this video to show you how to replace the cabin air filter so that you can have nice fresh air flowing through your car every single time. The method that I'm going to show you is for replacing on a Japanese car. I don't know if it works the same way on German cars, but most Japanese cars will have the cabin filter on the same side, and it can be replaced in the same way that I'm about to show you. So to replace your cabin air filter, first thing you're going to do is come to your passenger side and locate the glove box. You're going to open your glove box, then you gently pull up towards yourself till you hear it click open. On the other side as well. Once it comes out, to drop on the side like this, that will reveal, when you look inside, that will reveal your cabin air filter, which sits right up here. So you just put your fingers in there and you pull out your filter, and you will be able to see the old filter and replace it with a brand new one. And then just the same way that we took it out, lift it, align the tabs on the inside, you push on the other side, and push, and there you have it, a replaced cabin air filter. What you're going to notice after you've replaced the filter is maximized airflow from your air conditioning system. You're not going to have to put it to the max for you to get good airflow through the car. Also, any smells that were coming from, this dirty filter, any dust that was causing your kids to have flus that are random, is all going to be gone away because you've cleaned, and you put in a clean, brand new cabin air filter. So that was just a quick tip video for you guys on cabin filters. If you're trying to pick up a cabin filter for your car, you can go over to our official parts sponsor, that is Auto Drift. They have a wide variety of cabin filters that you can put in different types of cars. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one.